A, B, and C. Equation A, equation B, equation C. I'm always going to try and get rid of the sets first. An easy one would be to add A to B. Everybody see add A and B together? And what you get? 2x plus x. 3x, yeah. Y plus 2y. 3y. Minus z plus z. Gone. 9 plus 6. 15. I have a choice now. I can use B and C, or I can use A and C. That's your own choice to make, okay? I'm not going to control that much. I'm going to use A and C because I'm lazy. Why is AC easier? It's already a minus, isn't it? So I'm going to multiply A by 2. Now, in an exam, here's what you should write beside it. So I'm going to tell the examiner, I'm going to put in brackets here 2A. What does that mean? I multiplied 2 times equation A. They'll like you for that. You never know, they might go a bit easier on you for that. No, you can use AC or BC. But I said I'm being lazy, so AC would be my better option there. 3x minus y plus 2z equals 17. Now what you do? Add down 7x plus 1y. Then what do here? 0 equals 35. What was our arrangement again? We get rid of the y, we find out what y is, and then we find out what x is. All right. So look, we'll stick true to that. Can I divide this one by 3? What do I get? 5. Keep an eye on me. I'm being a bit dodgy today, like most days. Now, I'm going to multiply this one by minus 7, is it? So I got minus 7x minus 7y minus 35. What does that mean? Minus 6y equals 0, ergo y equals 0. And if y equals 0, what does x equal? 5. Finally, you can choose any of A, B, and C to finish it off. I will choose A. 2 times 5? 2 times 5 is 10. Y is, take away z is, so 10 minus z is 9. Z is equal to 1. Any questions? It's a matter of doing them, isn't it? All right, so I have to, okay. That's 3y, 3, 6. This is 3a. This is b. 3x, 2y, that 3 equals 9x minus 1y equals 9. Then I can do minus 2a minus 4x plus 2y plus 2z equals minus 12. Minus 2a minus 2 multiplied by a. And we're going to add on c. Yeah. I think one of them eliminates both letters if you get lucky. I think I got minus 2a and c. I think I got rid of the z's and the x's all in one go. Sometimes that happens. So I'm going to get 3y equals minus 9. Then, obviously, the plan goes by the wayside then. Just find out what y is, okay? Y is minus 3. X equals 2 over 3. Alright, sorry guys, this is 18, which in turn makes that 21, which in turn makes that 21. That's 21. 9 over 21, is that right? And then that would be 7 over 3. Oh, yes, yes, yes. On a roll. 21 take away 3 is 18. 18 divided by 9, 2. Nicer numbers, aren't they? 2 and minus 3. Alrighty. So then pick an equation at the end. You could pick A, I suppose. 2x minus y minus z equals 6. 2 times 2 minus 3 minus z equals 6. 4 plus 3 minus z equals 6. Z equals 7 minus 6. 1 equals z. I got x equals 2, y equals minus 3, and z equals 1. All right. So key mistakes there is check your lines twice. I wasn't doing that, I was rushing. So please check your lines twice before you move on to the next step, okay? Going fast will cause you more time. A, B, C. Get a common denominator and get rid of those fractions, okay? You don't want to deal with them. Turn everything into sixths. Okay. Okay, so your equation C is changed, okay? That's your equation C. I'm going to do A take away B. I'm going to do A and minus B. Start off the question. Plus y plus z equals 2. Minus 2x minus 3y minus z equals minus 7. Minus 1x minus 2y. 2 take away 7 is minus 5. X plus 2y equals 5. That is my first simultaneous equation. No hassle. Multiply both sides by minus 1. You're allowed to do anything you want to any equal equation ever. So it's all about balance. So example is if I had 7 minus 2 equals 5. I'm allowed to do whatever I want to both sides, provided it stays balanced. So I can multiply both sides by 3, and I'll get 21, take away 6 is 15. I'm allowed to do what I want, provided the balance is maintained. Okay? I'm going to use minus 2a plus c. So c and minus 2a. I'm hoping that will get me here. Minus 2x minus 2y minus 2z equals minus 4. 1x minus 3y equals 0. Then I have my next one. I suppose the lazy way out here would be to get rid of the x's, wouldn't it? If I call that equation D and this one equation E, what I can then do is E minus D. That'll be minus 1x plus 3y equals 0. 5y equals 5, y equals 1. Bring it back over here. Yes? C minus 2a. See the z? It's 2z. I need a minus 2z to take it out. So if I multiply equation A by minus 2, it'll create a minus 2z. That will knock out the z's. Okay? That. Now, 1x minus 3 times 1 equals 0. 1x equals 3. So we have x and we have y. I'd be inclined to use equation A. It looks very easy. X plus y plus z equals 2. 3 plus 1 plus z equals 2. Implies z equals minus 2. So your 3 answers should be 3, 1, and minus 2. Anybody? Where is it? 0 minus 6 is a good one. Yeah. What'd you say? I think this one's definitely on, is it? Or is it minus 3? Minus 3 is definitely on it. Is there any other ones that are definitely on it? Like what? Is it not question 9, is it? Question 9? What's the other one you see? Yeah, I'd say 1, 1 with you guys. Now that I have all 3 points, okay, we write down this formula here. Y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And what you do next is this. You put in your values. Do you get what I'm saying? So you put in, what's the y value for the 1, 1? What's the y value for 1, 1? 1. What's the x value? 1. So what's this equation? What does this equation become then? A plus B plus C equals 1. And that is your first equation for this system. Okay? So there you are there. That's the first equation. What do we do to get the next equation? Pick a point. Replace y with. The y value is minus 3. What do you replace x with? Also minus 3 in this case. Okay. And what we get is minus 3 equals 9a minus 3b plus c. Just going to reverse that around for us. Okay. And now you have your second equation then, don't you? Now what about the third part? Killian, will you take the third one for me? 0 minus 6. Minus 6 equals 8 times 0 squared, yeah? Here's a trick, lads. If you can pick a 0, always pick it. Do you get what I'm saying? If you have the choice of 5 or 6 good points, if there's any of them that have zeros in it, take them. Because look what happens here. We find out straight away that c equals minus 6. And then what can happen is we just recycle it back into the other two equations and we do what we did the last couple of times. Is that all right? You guys know how to do that, so I'm just gonna leave question 9 alone for a second. Okay. What would you do for? Actually, no, we won't go any further. Okay. So for homework tonight, what's that, Kel? Right. For homework tonight, I want us to do question 3. I'd like us to do 5 part 1. I want you to do question 7, question 8, and question 9. All right, and that should be good enough for you.